This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Today I want to discuss a very important topic in the world of cryptocurrency opportunities. Let's talk about custodial and self-custodial platforms. What are the differences between these two, and what are the best options that we have right now in the market? Before we continue, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you in advance for your support, and if at any point during this video you have some extra questions, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. First, let me explain in easy terms what is a custodial platform. We have a bunch of those in this space in the form of miners, stakers, copy trading sites. All of those are coming with a bit catch. Typically, we need to trust these platforms with our capital. We need to deposit our funds inside the system. They are having full control to do wherever they want with our money, and we are just hoping for the best. With these type of sites, we always have an easy way to get started. Only a few sites will manage to stay in the space for several months. Some others will disappear in a couple of weeks, or probably in a couple of days. In the end, it's just like any other opportunity in this space. They are going to disappear at some point. Sometimes we find sites with longevity, with transparency. We are only relying on trust, and like we always heard in this space, high risk, high reward. Roll the dice, let's play the game, let's see how that goes. In the end, we never know what's going to happen. We never know when they are going to stop paying. We cannot control withdrawals, we cannot control payouts. We can also find projects that are not so transparent, but they are getting very good at presenting very complex roadmaps, real representatives behind the scene. They are offering reports of their results, but there is nothing for us to verify if those results are real or not. Again, with those platforms, we are just trying our luck to see if we can have some success. Those are the options we take when we don't have skills for trading or we are not experienced investors. So in simple terms, those are custodial platforms. Now, what is a self-custodial platform? A self-custodial opportunity. You will have full autonomy over your capital. All your crypto stays inside your wallet. That is the best security in the space because you have full control over your private keys. You can interact directly with the Web3 and the DeFi space. You don't need any third-party platform. You will have full accessibility. You can see the real reports. Nobody is going to lock your crypto. These kind of platforms are usually offering advanced trading strategies, real-time market analysis, real reports inside the blockchain. You can verify those at any time. We are the only ones deciding how we want to use it and how much we want to risk. And by the way, the risk here is different. It all depends on the market conditions. You can prevent all of those rug pulls in the space. So in my opinion, when we talk about custodial platforms, custodial opportunities, those are more like gambling opportunities. I tried those ones before. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes we lose. We can make some quick profits in a short time, and that's okay if we have the money to play with. But if you are like me, if you are looking for those opportunities that are real, something that is doing real trading, offering transparency, offering profitability, those ones that are self-custodial, and you already know what that means. We're going to have full control of our capital. Then you should start to look for projects with that kind of nature. My favorite opportunity right now that is checking all those boxes and is giving me the chance to have full control of my capital is called Jonny Blockchain. This is a crypto trading bot that you can use it with confidence. We can use it with our Binance account, and if you don't have a Binance account, we can use it with our MetaMask wallet. In fact, this is the first decentralized trading robot that is going to perform trades in PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Everything works through a smart contract. Still, you have full control of your capital. You can see all your assets inside your MetaMask wallet. We don't need to buy tokens. The system is going to do it automatically. All we need is our capital in USDT. We also need a small amount of BNB to pay gas fees. The bot is going to swap the tokens, trade with those tokens, collect profits, and send the profits back in USDT. We need to pay a yearly license. It's only 25 USDT. We can use as many bots as we want. Another huge plus, let me show you right here in dashboard. And if you go where it says trends, right here on top, they will give us a list of the most profitable pairs inside Binance. And if you want to use your MetaMask wallet, you can also have right here all the most profitable and popular coins using MetaMask, the ones that are giving great results inside the system. We can organize those by popularity, just by clicking right here. The total ROI, the ROI for the last 30 days, 7 days, 24 hours. So if you want to get started fast with a successful trade, right here you can find all of those options. All we need to do is click right here in this plus sign. Once you connect your wallet, you will see how much you have available for trading. We just need to activate the bot right here. We have a compounding option. If you want to keep running this bot over and over again, you need to select this option. In this box, we can select the exchange platform. We have PancakeSwap, Uniswap, we have Binance. With Binance, we don't need to approve tokens, but we need an API connection to do this. With the other two, we need to approve the token. Another thing that I like about Jonny Blockchain is that they are offering a user's guide, very easy to follow videos. When you are in the main page and after you register, you will see this button right here, step-by-step user's guide. If you click there, it will show you all the steps that you need to follow in order to get started. And if you want to get in touch with the community, they have an open Telegram group. You can find the link to that group right here, just by clicking this icon. You can talk directly to the CEO if you have any extra questions. We already know that this is secure. It's user-friendly. We have transparency. We can see the people behind. And if we talk about results, let me show you. I have different bots running right now with returns going from 8% all the way until this one, 305%. And I got started with this bot on the 22nd of January. So again, we have profitability. If you want more information about this, I'm going to leave my in-depth review right here in the top corner. You can also leave your questions down below in the comment section, or you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. Before we go, I want to invite you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Have a wonderful day.